Hi fam, Josao here again, your mentor with another tutorial. So in this particular video, I want to show you how you can basically use my signal, alright, to make what cash as a beginner, or how you can basically use any other signal, okay? Like probably you are in another signal community and you want to basically be using their signal, you're a little bit confused as a beginner. So I'm basically going to show you how you can basically use any signal, be it crypto, forex, indices, or whatever market. Okay, but please, before I continue, please note that in order to use signal, which I'm against, you need to have the basic knowledge. Okay, you basically need to have basic knowledge in order for you to start using signal, because when you start using signal, you are just going to depend on signal. And if the signal provider, for example, let's say I stop providing you signal, then that's the end of what you're trading. Okay, so it's always good to put in the knowledge, to go for the knowledge. So basically what you just need to do is to create your brokerage account. All right, so you can basically check the link in this video description. All right, the bottom, you are going to just click the first link. All right, all details, you create your forex, all right, brokerage account, and also you create your indices account. When you basically, if you want to be part of my signal group, it is completely free. All you need to do is use my affiliate link. Okay, use my affiliate link. When you use my affiliate link, you reach me by Facebook at Joseph Say Concept, or Instagram at Joseph Say Concept. After confirming that you use our affiliate link, you are going to join our signal community. I also offer 1 month mentorship. It is not free. The cost is $50. So you can basically use my link, join the signal community, you generate the $50, and after which you can pay for the mentorship and grab the knowledge, and you stop depending on signals. So what you basically know, let's say now you have your account and you have verify your account. How I basically send my signal, all right, I send my signal to Telegram, but for this video I'm going to basically use I'm basically going to just use WhatsApp, because I can't allow screen record, is not going to be visible. All right, so let's say this is how I basically send my signal. Okay, you are going to see trading signal. The market is crypto. All right, so we have the crypto market, the forex market. All right, we have the synthetic indices market. Then you are going to see market. So this means what you are going to trade crypto. So one of my broker allow you to trade whatever market. Okay, so you see the PI is BTC USD. All right, so this is Bitcoin USD. The other type, all right, is buy stop. If you don't know what buy stop is, check my previous video. All right, I have video that I explain the types of orders in the forex market, so you can understand what we have: buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit, and market. We have the entry price. This is your entry price, your take profits, all right, which is TP, and your SL. And I said use small lot size and manage your risk. Joseph Say Concept signal. So this is basically what you are going to see. This is what I'm going to send. How do we basically use this one? So you go to this particular platform here. All right, if you don't have your MT4, you don't know how to arrange your MT4, watch my video. All right, go to my MT4 MT5 playlist. You know how to set up your account. This account is just real. I just deposited $4. All right, which I'm going to basically show you how to use signal. So all you need to do is you just add your PI here. All right, this is BTC USD. All right, it has already been added, but if it's not available for you, you just go ahead and add. So this is this, right? So you are going to come here, you tab BTC USD, the third one, you tab trade. Okay, so you go to the top, you are seeing market execution. The first thing you basically want to do is to change this, okay, to the order which I sent to you guys, which I said buy stop. Okay, if it is market order, you are just going to see market order. Market order is the same as market execution, but this one is buy stop. Okay, buy stop. And you basically enter this is the price. Okay, so you come here, you erase this price, you go, we are going to check the price. Okay, we are going to basically check the price. So I said the order, okay, the entry price is 62,500. 62,500. So what you are going to do, this price is you are going to put 62,500. Okay, and the the take profit is going to be 64,000, right? So you enter 64,000. All right, and let's say the stop loss is going to be 62. thousand. Okay, so this is what I sent, right? So I sent this. You can just go ahead and place your order, but one thing I want you to know, this is what you use your lot size. So I'm not going to tell you, like most of the time you guys used to ask me which lot size will I use. Your lot size depends on what your account size. If you have like your $10, $20, you just basically use what small lot size, because what this is very volatile. Okay, Bitcoin is very volatile. So this is basically what a buy stop order you have entered, then you tab in place. A buy stop order is basically what? An order, which is like currently you are believing like when the price of Bitcoin reaches this 62,500, the price is going to go up. Whenever you are saying buying, you are saying the market is going to go up. Okay, the value of that particular asset is going to what? Increase in value. So this is basically it. We are not going to enter this trade until the price reaches to 62,500, then we enter. The trade is going to be triggered. When this trade is triggered, it means like if the price go to 62,550, 62,600 and all, you are going to what? Make profit. So you see our SL here. So if in case we enter for this and the price basically drops to 62,000, we are going to go out of the trade. And if the price continues to pump up, it reached 64,000 where you are seeing this TP, it means like what? We are going to go out of the trade. We have collected here, say we are going to collect our profit. Okay, so this is basically what you are seeing. The current price is this one you are seeing, 60,822. All right, this price that is currently changing the current price. So this is what a buy stop order. So let's say now I want to enter the trade currently. You can delete this as well. Sometimes it's not going to be triggered. So let's go to the chart of what? Bitcoin. Let's go to the chart of Bitcoin. Okay, let's go to the chart of Bitcoin. Let's say now instead of this, now I say, okay, guys, enter the market. What now? I send a signal, the same signal. Okay, I send a signal, then I say what? The TP is what? The take profit is what? 60. Let's say this is 63,000. Okay, and our stop loss, you come here, let's say I say our stop loss is 62,000. Okay, you come here, we say our stop loss is what? 62 what thousand. You enter the same way. Let's say I send this. Okay, you come here, we want to enter the market now. We are going to change this to market execution. So I can send any of this. I can say buy limit, I can say sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Just pay attention to this one. This is where you select this one. Okay, then you enter what? Your take profit. So let's say if I say the take profit at 70,000, you just enter the same one. If I say the stop loss is what? Let's say 59,000, you enter 59,000. Am I saying you buy or sell? If I say you buy now, it's like what? We enter buy. Okay, so which means now we are in the trade of what? Bitcoin. Okay, we are buying now Bitcoin. So this is basically what? When I make profit, you are going to make profit. When I make loss, you are going to what? Make loss. So let's open the chart of Bitcoin. Okay, let's open the chart of Bitcoin. You are seeing now this is what? Our order. Okay, this is what? Our trade that is currently what's going on. This is what? A real account. All right, so this is how you basically will tend to what? Use trading signal. But I will not encourage you to just always continue to use what? Signal, because when you start using signal, it's going to stop you from learning. Okay, the best way here is what? For you to basically what? Have the knowledge by yourself, and you can basically use this whenever you want. For example, you keep depending on me to send signal, and one day I might say, okay, I'm not going to send signal again and all right, so I have 1 month mentorship. All right, registration is going to going on. The class is going to start on the 2nd of September. The cost is $50. If you are interested, okay, and you don't have money now, ensure you basically what? Just use the link in the description, create your what? Your account using our link, and after which you reach me by Instagram or Facebook. Please avoid scammers. Reach me by Instagram or Facebook. Our accounts are verified. You are going to see the small blue dots. Okay, Joseph Say Concept or Facebook and Instagram. You are going to see the account verified. If you want to reach me by Instagram and by Telegram, I'm not too active. All right, to avoid scammers, a lot of people are using my name. I'll never ask you for money, and I don't do account management. Okay, I don't do account management like you telling me, okay, boss, please take my $10 to $50, $100. Don't send money for anyone. You can only reach me by Instagram or Facebook with a verified account. All right, Joseph Say Concept. Apart from those, any other person that is sending you message is not me. Don't share your money to anyone. All right, so we are currently in the trade, and we are currently like what? Negative. Okay, we are currently like what? Negative. So we just basically have to what? You allow this trade to pay. If the trade plays out in our favor, then at the end of the day we are going to what, just make money. Okay, so this is basically how you tend to what, use what, trading signals. Okay, this is how you tend to what, basically use trading signal. So it's the same again for other platforms. So this is what's one of this. My next platform which I can basically show you, this is what, another account. Okay, this another account, I've already set what, a buy stop order. These are for indices volatility. All right, so this is what real account as well. So like for example, I shared this particular signal, all right, in my community. I've sent them this signal, I've shared them this signal. Okay, so you see this is the setup that I did. So in case like this where I just basically send a chart like this, okay, you're going to see what, volatility 25 1s. So this is where you look for the pair. Okay, look at the top here, you're going to see what the pair, volatility 25 1. Okay, these are for my statistics broker, so use the link. Okay, then after which you're going to see like this is for what, long. So what you need to do here is you come here, this price at the top where you are seeing this green, this 596,951.1614 is basically what, your take profit price. So when you open, you enter this in the take profit section. Okay, and you see this red at the bottom, this is what, your sell stop. This is 591408.9494 is where you're going to put a stop loss. This one with this gray where you're saying 592454.6498 is going to be what, your entry price. So this is what, a buy or a stop order. So we are saying currently the price is at the support zone. If the price keep increasing and it reaches between this red and this green zone, okay, you can see a little bit of what, gray line. You can see the gray line here, so which basically means like we want to enter the market. Okay, we want to enter the market. This blue line which we are saying is what, the current market price. So we are saying if the price of Bitcoin continue to go up and it passes this red box, it's reached to that green box, we want to enter the market. So you can just basically use what, this values here and enter. Okay, sometimes I might just send new chart like this. So that's why I'm saying in order for you to use signal, you need to have like what, basic knowledge. I might not always be sending you the write up, I might just send you my charts, and after which you can basically use this if you have the knowledge to what, analyze. Okay, so this is basically what, pure support and resistance and trend line, all right, that I'm using. Okay, that I'm using. So that's why you guys basically what, need the knowledge. So we are going to go back. This is the trade that I've placed. All right, this is the trade. You can see my TP and all. So I'm just waiting for the price. This trade is not going to be triggered until what, the price reaches here. All right, 592454.64. As soon as it reaches, then it's going to what, automatically triggered, and I'm going to what, enter the trade. You can see this is my buy stop order. You are seeing buy stop. So currently what, the market price is here. All right, if the price continues to pump up, all right, it pump up, it move up and it reaches here, this is our order, we are going to enter, and we are saying the market is going to go up. So if the market continues to go up, this is our take profit. Yeah, we are going to make money. If it's our take profit, then we are going to move out of the trade. But in case this trade is triggered and the market move down, we are going to what, lose money. Okay, so make sure you watch my other type. All right, we have the buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. We have orders. Okay, so make sure you watch that so you basically know how to use this one. I'm not going to take time to explain this because the video is already available for that. Okay, so guys, let me know if you find value in this particular tutorial. Ensure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, like this video, share this video. All right, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to reach me by Instagram, on Facebook as Joseph Say Concept. Thanks a lot. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.